If the velocity of a particle is v equal to at plus bt square, where a and b are constant, then the distance traveled by it in first and second is, so basically we know this is our velocity function. To get displacement or distance from a velocity function here, so that will be our x, and x here will be equals to integration of v dt. So if you integrate v, velocity function, that will give us at plus bt square dt, integrating from 1 to 2 seconds. That we can further write it as integration of at dt while going from 1 to 2 plus integration of 1 to 2 bt square dt. And taking a out of the integration, this will give us integration of t from 1 to 2 dt plus b as it is, integration of 1 to 2 t square dt. Because they are constants, we have taken them out of the integral. Now integration of t will be nothing but t square by 2, 1 to 2, and integration of t square is nothing but t cube by 3. From which formula? The first formula of integration, which I am writing here, integration of t to the power n is nothing but t to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now here this will be equal to a, and when you put here the upper limit, it will be how much? It will be, let me do it on the other side over here. So let's see, x will be equals to how much? A, and putting the upper limit, 2 square 4 by 2 minus 1 square 1 by 2 plus b into 2 cube, which is 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Now 4 minus 1, 3 by 2 a plus 7 by 3 b. That will be our displacement of this function, or distance of this function while going from 1 to 2 seconds. Option B is correct.